If you wake up tired, achy, foggy, even after a full night's sleep, and no one seems to have an explanation, you might be dealing with something far deeper than just stress or getting older. Hi, I'm Dr. Rose Petrilla, the Primal Professor, a retired professor, physical therapist, and a primal health coach. And today we're talking about a condition that affects nearly 4 million Americans. It's fibromyalgia. But I want to show you what's really going on under the surface. Fibromyalgia causes widespread pain, fatigue, sensitivity that can feel like your whole body is on fire. Patients often say, "It's like I ran a marathon in my sleep." And here's what I've seen again and again in my physical therapy career. People who are told, "Your labs look fine," or "It's in your head," but it's not. This is one of the most frustrating diagnoses and difficult diagnoses I had to treat as a PT. But what's going on is inside the muscle tissue of people with fibromyalgia, researchers have found damaged mitochondria, lower ATP production, and higher oxidative stress. That means your cells literally can't make enough energy to keep up with your daily life. So they start sending distress signals in the form of pain and exhaustion. It's like your body's electrical grid is dimming one bulb at a time. So let's talk about its metabolic roots. Now, why do those mitochondria fail in the first place? Most often, it starts with metabolic overload. Too much sugar, too little movement, and too many inflammatory oils. And when insulin stays high, mitochondria are forced to burn dirty fuel, producing more oxidative stress and less clean energy. Then add nutrient gaps like low magnesium, CoQ10, carnitine, and B vitamins, all critical for ATP production. You get sleep loss, chronic stress, and sedentary habits compound the damage. Some people also inherit mitochondria that are a little more fragile, and stress or poor diet flips those genetic switches the wrong way. We've talked about that on my channel. That's called epigenetics. So yes, fibromyalgia is physical, but its roots are metabolic. So let's talk about hope and recovery. This has been a long time coming to help these folks. The good news is that mitochondria are adaptable. With the right fuel, healthy fats, protein, micronutrients, and gradual movement, they can rebuild. So gentle resistance exercises, short walks, and sunlight exposure tell your body, hey, it's safe to make energy again. Now, low carb or ketogenic nutrition, don't mind me, I have my window open. Low carb or ketogenic nutrition lowers inflammation and gives your cells the clean fuel they've been missing. So when someone says it's just fibromyalgia, remember your body isn't broken. It's exhausted. And with the right fuel and movement, it can heal. So if this resonated with you, watch my other videos in the mitochondria series. You'll see how energy, pain, and metabolism are all connected. And if you know somebody with fibromyalgia and they don't know about the power of a low-carb diet, share this video with them. And if you're ready to take control of your health, grab my ebook, Keto Made Simple. I'll leave the link in the description below. I'm Dr. Rose, the Primal Professor, reminding you, when you nourish your mitochondria, you nourish your life. I'll see you tomorrow on the next Daily Spoonful.